Hey guys, welcome to OMG. So today I'll be talking about Redbubble, and this is my own review and experience on this platform. And Redbubble is basically a print on demand platform. Uh, So this print on demand platform is nothing but you have to upload your design on any product templates that are already available on the platform. They will be already having templates for each product. For example, t-shirt, they will be having t-shirt templates, so you have to upload your design and it will be ready for the buyers. It will be ready on that platform. You don't have to post for your t-shirt, or you don't have to do anything. You can just upload your PS edited file, and yeah, that's all. Your product will be on their website. Whenever someone chooses and buys it, you will be getting artist commission. So that is what this whole print on demand platform is. And we'll see what my own review on this platform. So yeah, so this is their website. This is Redbubble's platform. In this, you can find any product, like starting from home and living, wall art, phone cases, stickers, clothing, kids and babies wear, and lots of accessories, stationeries, everything you have. You can customize your own product and you can post it on their website, and you will be getting commission for each product that is sold. So this is their home page. You can see the top best-selling designs on their homepage. So all the products listed in this website are created by some individual artist only. They also have very big, Disney and Pixar and other big companies, designing their own T-shirts and other products. So they will also be posting in this. So this website works on the basis of producing your own art, no copyrighted things. Same as like other social media platforms and like YouTube, they have their own bot to detect the, copying arts. So they will be banning your account if you are going to copy someone else's art and doing something similar to other artist who has already posted that same design, uh, before you. So this is how your product will be seen. This is a new feature where you can see the mug in 3D form. Um, the thing is, how I got banned was, this website, as I told you, will detect your duplicate designs. If you are copying from someone else, it will ban you. As I said, when I was uploading my own art, I was working in this platform for about just a month, and I was uploading my I think it was 15th design or something on this platform. I uploaded it, upload everything. I just named my design, everything. I just posted it. Everything was successful. I did it, and I went to sleep. And next day morning, when I woke up and I want to open and log in to check whether how is my design is going, so I just opened it. I got a message, error message, and it says that my account was blocked because of duplicating someone else's art. But the thing is, I didn't even copy anyone else's art. I didn't even know whether my design is actually similar to someone else, because this website will never give you an alert kind of information before starting or uploading your design. Like, I have already done a video on Teespring, so please check out that video. In that video, I'll be telling you that it will give you an alert message if you are going to copy or you are uploading a duplicate design of someone else. So it will give you an error message when you are uploading itself. But this one, unfortunately, they don't have that feature, which actually made my my 15, like 1 month work miserable. I really got disappointed. It was frustrating at that moment, because the account which was disabled, I cannot even re-get it. Like, I cannot get it back again. If it's gone forever. I cannot open again. Another one more thing is, like, I don't like time wasters. Seriously, who else likes that? It was really disappointing after getting my account blocked. And now I will show you how your first login error is going to be, how it is going to tell you that your account is disabled. But before that, Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. So this is the login page, and I'm using my disabled account's email ID and password. Email ID I would have hidden it because of privacy. Don't mind it. So when you click on login, you will get that loading for a long time. If your account is disabled, might be it can also be because of low internet connection, like bad or poor internet connection. But for me it is disabled, so it will keep loading, and then it will show you that error message. You know how hard it is to lose your 1 month work that easily and that fast. It was really terrible. I didn't even expect it because I was legitimately doing my own work and it was my own design. I didn't copy from anyone. I didn't even look for inspiration. I didn't even redo that, like, looking for inspiration and taking some ideas from inspiration and doing that might also be like, copying kind of. So I didn't even do that. By really doing my own work and uploading it, I didn't expect this kind of response from Redbubble. It was really hurting for a artist who actually looking forward to work properly. Yeah, so this is the error message you'll be getting again and again. Invalid username or password. You might have thought you have actually done something wrong with your email ID or you have forgotten your password, but that is not the case. So I don't want to join again because I'm really, I gave up with that platform. And Teespring and Zazzle is really doing well. I'll be uploading a video on Zazzle, so stay tuned. You'll be getting more information on Zazzle. You can actually earn a lot from Teespring and Zazzle itself. I thought Redbubble is actually giving more commission than them, and it is really going well on, you know, it's really good. So I thought of giving a try. So yeah, this is my review. So again, I'm telling you that this is my own experience and my own review. It might work for you. Give it a try. You can actually earn passively from this website a lot. If you are a beginner and you can create as many as unique designs as possible and you can do very well here, so give it a try. So meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.